Welcome back to Rev and Ride. Today we're looking at 12 cruiser motorcycles you can buy now and never worry about repairs again. These bikes are reliable, durable, and built to last for years without draining your wallet. The Triumph Bonneville T120 is a cruiser motorcycle that combines timeless style with modern reliability, making it a dream choice for riders who never want to stress about constant repairs. This bike is known for its rock-solid build quality, incredible attention to detail, and long-term durability. It appeals to riders all across the United States who want something dependable without pouring money into the shop year after year. At its heart, the Bonneville T120 is powered by a 1,200cc parallel twin engine that's been refined for smooth performance and minimal vibration. Thanks to its liquid cooling system, it stays consistent even on long rides through changing weather. Owners often brag that this motor will easily go past 100,000 miles with just basic maintenance, putting it among the most durable cruisers you can buy. It's not just about the power, it's about enjoying a worry-free ride year after year. Now, the Bonneville T120 comes in at around $13,000 in the US market. Sure, that's a bit more than the smaller cruisers out there. But here's the thing, the value lies in its reliability. Riders save thousands over time by avoiding major repairs, which is why many call it an investment instead of just another motorcycle purchase. At the end of the day, the Triumph Bonneville T120 gives you classic looks, dependable performance, and long-term value, making it one of the smartest choices out there for riders who want peace of mind with every single mile. And before we move on, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more unbeatable motorcycle deals and reviews. Royal Enfield Meteor 350. The Royal Enfield Meteor 350 is a cruiser made for riders who just want something simple, dependable, and easy to live with. No constant wrenching, no drama. In the US, it's really caught people's attention by blending that classic cruiser look with a super approachable price, while still packing reliability that surprises a lot of first-time buyers. Under the tank, you've got a 349cc single-cylinder air-cooled engine built for smooth, steady performance. And here's the crazy part. Owners push these bikes past 70,000 miles on the regular, and many have reported them still running strong past the 100,000 mile mark as long as they're serviced on time. The lightweight motor and straightforward design are big reasons why it almost never runs into those scary wallet-draining repairs. Now let's talk price. Around $5,000 in the US gets you this cruiser, and for that money you're buying something cheap to own, easy to maintain, and capable of saving you thousands compared to bigger cruisers down the road. And here's the kicker, small displacement doesn't mean short life. With proper care, this bike has a service life measured in decades, not just years. At the end of the day, the Royal Enfield Meteor 350 gives you lasting dependability, low ownership costs, and that peace of mind that comes from riding a machine that just keeps on going, mile after mile, without any nasty surprises. The next bike on the list is the Yamaha Bolt. The Yamaha Bolt is a cruiser that stands out for its simplicity, reliability, and classic styling, making it a strong choice for riders who want a bike that lasts without draining their wallet on repairs. Across the United States, it has built a reputation as a dependable daily machine that feels light to handle yet sturdy enough for longer rides. At the heart of the Bolt is a 950cc air-cooled V-twin engine that delivers smooth torque and steady performance. Yamaha designed this motor with minimal complexity, which means fewer things can go wrong over time. Owners often report their Bolts staying strong past 80,000 miles, with many crossing the 100,000 mile mark with only regular servicing. This balance of power and longevity has helped the Bolt earn a loyal following. Price-wise, the Yamaha Bolt sits around $8,700 in the US market, making it a very approachable option for riders seeking a reliable cruiser without overspending. Considering its durability, many find the value unmatched, as maintenance costs are low and the bike avoids the costly breakdowns that some other cruisers face over the years. This translates into thousands saved and a ride that continues to deliver. Overall, the Yamaha Bolt proves you don't need to spend top dollar to get a motorcycle that will hold strong for years, making it a dependable choice for riders who want lasting value. And if you think this bike is impressive, just wait until you see what's coming up next. Suzuki Boulevard M109R. The Suzuki Boulevard M109R is a heavyweight cruiser built for riders in the US who want raw power, bold presence, and rock-solid durability. without the headache of constant repairs. It's famous for aggressive styling paired with build quality that keeps it rolling for years, making it a top pick for riders who want both performance and longevity. Under the hood, the Boulevard M109R packs a massive 1,780cc V-twin engine, one of the biggest in the cruiser world. Despite its size, this motor is designed for long-term reliability, with liquid cooling and proven internals that keep it running smooth mile after mile. Riders have logged over 100,000 miles with just routine maintenance. That's serious toughness. The price? Around $16,000 in the US market. It might feel like a big, upfront investment, but the Boulevard M109R delivers long-term value that's hard to beat. Instead of pouring thousands into repairs, you get a machine that keeps going. And resale values stay strong compared to other big cruisers. Bottom line, the Suzuki Boulevard M109R is a cruiser that combines massive power with proven reliability. It looks and feels unstoppable. And it truly stands the test of time. Want to gear up like a pro? From helmets and gloves to jackets and action cameras, we've handpicked the best for you. Hit the links in the description or the first pinned comment and grab those killer deals before they're gone. Alright, let's fire it up and move on to the next bike on our list. Kawasaki Vulcan 900. The Kawasaki Vulcan 900 is a cruiser that perfectly blends comfort, size, and reliability, making it one of the strongest choices in the mid-range segment. Riders across the United States value it as a dependable motorcycle that rarely leaves them worrying about unexpected repair bills. It has earned a reputation for holding up well over the years while giving riders the look and feel of a larger cruiser at a much more affordable entry point. Powering the Vulcan 900 is a 900cc V-twin engine that is liquid-cooled and tuned for smooth torque delivery. This engine is built to handle long-distance rides without breaking a sweat, and owners often keep them running past 100,000 miles with just routine oil changes, belt checks, and scheduled maintenance. Kawasaki engineered this bike to be stress-free, which is why it is often chosen by riders who want longevity without complications. The Vulcan 900 is priced around $9,000 in the US market, making it a solid buy for anyone seeking a reliable cruiser without overspending. When it comes to lifespan, it's common to see Vulcan 900 models on the road with mileage well over 120,000 miles and still running strong. Overall, the Kawasaki Vulcan 900 delivers dependable performance, excellent value for money, and long-lasting durability, a motorcycle you can count on for years of worry-free riding. Loving this bike? Hold on tight, the next one will blow you away. Triumph Bonneville Bobber. The Triumph Bonneville Bobber is a cruiser that blends a stripped-back retro design with the dependability riders expect when looking for a motorcycle that won't constantly demand repairs. It has earned a reputation as one of the most reliable modern classics, thanks to both its engineering and long-lasting build quality. At its core, the Bonneville Bobber carries a 1,200cc parallel twin engine, the same proven power plant that has shown excellent durability across the Triumph lineup. This liquid-cooled motor is tuned for strong torque and smooth power delivery, while also being engineered to run well over 100,000 miles with nothing more than regular servicing. Its modern internals mean less wear, fewer failures, and a ride that remains consistent over the years. The price of the Bonneville Bobber is around $14,000, placing it on the premium side of the cruiser segment. While the initial cost is higher, the long-term savings and avoidance of frequent repairs make it a solid investment. As for lifespan, the Bonneville Bobber is built to be a long-term motorcycle, with riders commonly pushing them past 150,000 miles while keeping ride quality intact. Overall, the Triumph Bonneville Bobber is a cruiser that combines classic styling with modern reliability, making it an ideal choice for riders who want a motorcycle that looks timeless while lasting for years without constant repairs. The next bike, the Suzuki Boulevard C50. The Suzuki Boulevard C50 is a cruiser that has built its reputation on being dependable, comfortable, and easy to maintain. It is a motorcycle chosen by riders who want a classic cruiser look with the confidence that it will keep running without becoming a repair headache. At the heart of the Boulevard C50 is an 805cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine. This motor is tuned for steady torque and smooth delivery, making it both enjoyable and reliable over long stretches. Owners often report that with regular servicing, the C50 runs well beyond 90,000 miles, with many crossing the 100,000 mile mark while still performing strongly. The Boulevard C50 comes in at a price of around $9,000, which is a fair entry point for a cruiser of this size and capability. Beyond the initial price, the real savings come in the form of low maintenance costs. Riders don't have to worry about spending thousands on repairs, as the C50's build quality and reliability significantly reduce those risks. Overall, the Suzuki Boulevard C50 is a cruiser that delivers a reliable riding experience, strong durability, and lasting value, making it a motorcycle that continues to prove itself as one of the most dependable picks in the cruiser world. If this bike caught your eye, you won't believe what's next on the list. Honda Shadow Phantom. The Honda Shadow Phantom is a cruiser that combines stripped-down styling with the legendary reliability Honda has been known for over decades. This motorcycle is designed to remain dependable year after year, giving riders the peace of mind that they won't face frequent or costly repair issues. Powering the Shadow Phantom is a 745cc liquid-cooled V-twin engine. This motor is smooth, durable, and easy to maintain, with many riders reporting their bikes lasting well beyond 100,000 miles. Its simple design, coupled with Honda's engineering focus on longevity, ensures the Shadow Phantom keeps running strong with only routine maintenance, such as oil changes and valve checks. Priced at around $8,300, it stands out as one of the most affordable cruisers in its category. What truly sets it apart is the value it delivers over time. Instead of worrying about pouring thousands into repairs, owners enjoy a bike that consistently delivers performance without surprise expenses. When it comes to lifespan, the Shadow Phantom boasts one of the strongest track records in the cruiser segment. It's not uncommon to see these bikes on the road even after more than a decade of riding, with engines and frames still performing impressively well. Overall, the Honda Shadow Phantom is a cruiser that offers riders confidence, reliability, and long-term value, a motorcycle that continues to earn respect for lasting strong without the headaches of major repairs. The next bike, the Kawasaki Vulcan S, is a cruiser renowned for its reliability, easy handling, and long-lasting build quality. Riders often appreciate how it combines modern styling with dependable engineering, giving them a motorcycle that avoids the constant repair concerns common with some other bikes in this class. At its core, the Vulcan S features a 649cc parallel twin engine that is liquid-cooled and tuned for smooth, consistent performance. This engine has proven itself over the years to be extremely durable, with many owners riding well past 100,000 miles on stock internals. The price of the Vulcan S is around $8,000, making it an affordable choice in the cruiser segment. What makes it stand out is how it saves riders thousands of dollars over the long run by avoiding major repair costs and maintaining strong performance with just routine maintenance. When it comes to lifespan, the Vulcan S is often kept for more than a decade without needing any major overhauls. Its frame, suspension, and engine are all built to handle everyday riding as well as long highway stretches without wearing out quickly. Overall, the Kawasaki Vulcan S is a cruiser that blends proven reliability, affordable pricing, and a long service life, making it a motorcycle you can truly ride for years without worrying about repairs. If you're into this bike, just wait. The next one's even more exciting. Royal Enfield Classic 350. The Royal Enfield Classic 350 is a cruiser built with old-school styling and modern dependability, making it one of the most trusted entry-level cruisers for riders who want something that lasts without becoming a repair burden. It is known for its straightforward design, durable construction, and the kind of reliability that keeps it running year after year. The Classic 350 is powered by a 349cc single-cylinder engine that is air-cooled and tuned for smooth, steady performance. This motor is simple, yet effective, and its low-stress design allows it to run for decades if maintained properly. Many owners report their bikes going beyond 80,000 miles, with some stretching well past 100,000 while still running strong with routine servicing. Its simplicity means fewer parts that can fail, making it especially cost-effective in the long run. When it comes to pricing, the Classic 350 sits at around $5,000, making it one of the most affordable cruisers on the market. In terms of longevity, the Classic 350 has one of the best reputations in its class. It is not unusual to see decades-old models still running, and the latest generation continues that same tradition of durability. Overall, the Royal Enfield Classic 350 is a cruiser that delivers affordability, dependability, and lasting durability, making it an easy recommendation for riders who want a motorcycle that won't let them down. If you think this bike is impressive, Just wait until you see what's coming up next. Yamaha V-Star 250. The Yamaha V-Star 250 is a lightweight cruiser that has earned a solid reputation for being easy to own, inexpensive to maintain, and incredibly reliable over time. It is often regarded as the perfect starting point for riders who want a true cruiser experience without the added stress of frequent repairs or high upkeep costs. Powering the V-Star 250 is a 249cc air-cooled V-twin engine. Despite its small size, this motor is known for its toughness and longevity. With proper care, owners often report their bikes surpassing 70,000 miles, and some examples run well beyond 100,000 miles. Its simple engine design means there are fewer parts that can fail, which is why the V-Star is one of the least likely cruisers to encounter costly mechanical issues. The price of the V-Star 250 hovers around $5,000, making it one of the most budget-friendly cruisers available. When it comes to lifespan, the V-Star 250 proves that smaller displacement doesn't mean a shorter service life. Riders often keep them for more than a decade, enjoying consistent performance without the need for major overhauls. The bike's lightweight design also reduces wear on key components, further extending its life. Overall, the Yamaha V-Star 250 is a cruiser that delivers lasting dependability, affordable ownership, and longevity on the road, making it one of the most practical choices for riders seeking peace of mind without overspending. Number 1. Honda Rebel 500. The Honda Rebel 500 is one of the most dependable midsize cruisers on the market. Designed for riders who want a motorcycle that lasts for years without the constant worry of repairs, its combination of comfort, durability, and approachable size makes it a top pick for both new and experienced riders seeking a cruiser they can truly rely on. At its core, the Rebel 500 features a 471cc liquid-cooled parallel twin engine. This motor is smooth, efficient, and proven to last well beyond 100,000 miles when serviced regularly. Its design is simple yet refined, reducing wear and tear while keeping maintenance costs low. The Rebel 500 is priced at around $7,000, making it an affordable choice considering the long-term value it delivers. Because it rarely requires more than routine maintenance, owners save thousands over the years, making it one of the most cost-effective cruisers to keep on the road. In terms of longevity, the Rebel 500 is known to remain strong for more than a decade of riding, often outlasting heavier and more complex cruisers. Overall, the Honda Rebel 500 is a cruiser that offers dependable performance, affordable ownership, and proven long-term durability, making it a motorcycle you can ride for years without worrying about costly repairs. And with that, we've reached the end of this video. Buy these 12 cruiser motorcycles now and never worry about repairs again. Did we miss a bike that deserves a spot on the list? Let us know in the comments below, and don't forget to like the video, subscribe for more motorcycle content, and as always, ride safe. See you in the next one.